Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing both phones and the Beats Solo 4 headset for pairing. Turn on Bluetooth on the target phone and make it discoverable in Settings. Power the Beats Solo 4 on and hold the power button for 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. Confirm the LED flashes or indicates pairing readiness. Disable Bluetooth on other nearby devices to avoid accidental connections and interference. Keep the phones within 3-5 feet during the pairing process for a stable signal and faster discovery. On the target phone, open Bluetooth settings and scan for devices immediately. Look for Beats Solo 4 in the Discoverable Devices list and tap it to initiate pairing. Confirm any pairing prompts and accept PIN requests or permissions that appear on the screen. If the phone shows a confirmation, tap Allow or Pair to finalize the connection. Wait up to 30 seconds for the phone and headset to finish connecting and negotiate audio profiles. You will hear a tone from the headset when the connection completes successfully. If pairing fails, perform a simple reset to clear previous connections and try again. Reset the Beats Solo 4 by holding the power button and volume down together for 10 seconds until the LED blinks. On the phone, forget the Beats Solo 4 device entry in Bluetooth settings and then rescan to pair again. Ensure both phones and the headset run the latest firmware or OS updates before retrying. Keep the headset within 3-5 feet and avoid crowded Wi-Fi or Bluetooth environments during reconnection attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.